video, I'm going to show you how you can add files with their corresponding metadata to a SharePoint document library. First, we need to make sure that we have a metadata document ready. In this example, you can see we have an Excel document with the relevant columns and data within. We also need to make sure that we have a document library created in SharePoint with the relevant metadata columns having been added. Let's start by connecting to our file system. Go to Connect Data Source in the Source window, choose the File System connector, and then browse for the folder containing your files. Once you have found your folder, click Connect. Now we need to connect to our SharePoint site. To do this, click Connect Data Source in the target window and choose the SharePoint connector. We are connecting to SharePoint Online. We will use the SharePoint Online connector. Enter in the URL path to your SharePoint site and then enter in your credentials. Now choose your document library from the drop-down list. Click Connect and Create Library Connection to store this in the connection library. This connection library allows you to reuse the connection in the future projects. Now let's configure the lookup to our metadata document. Select the column you wish to apply the lookup to and then click Add Lookup. Browse for your metadata document and click OK. Now configure the lookup by specifying the column that joins the two. In this case, it's file name. Now add the columns you want to the schema map and make sure to map these to their corresponding columns in SharePoint. Once you're happy with your schema map, click Compare A to B to run the comparison. As you can see, we have 5 new records to be added. Once you are ready to continue, click Synchronize and Start to begin the sync. Once that is successfully run, if we now go to our document library, we can see that the files have been successfully added.